Okay, so let's turn back to page 5, the long division one at the bottom. And let's look at these. So it's a 1. It starts with x squared, x. So this is in the good order. 1, negative 10, negative 24. Draw my line. This one is plus 2, so I need to change it to negative 2. Bring down the 1. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. If I add these together, I get negative 12. Negative 2 times negative 12. Negative times negative is positive. 2 times 12 is 24. So that's 0. Right? This started out with x squared, x constant. So remember, we're getting rid of one x. So this is the x. This is the constant. This is the remainder. So this is just x minus 12. That's how fast it should be. I'm looking at the video that's 1 minute and 5 seconds, right? To do this problem that if we did it with long division would take a little longer. That's okay. We'll look at this one. Cube, squared, right? You got 3, 2, 1, and then 0, which is the constant. So this is in the right order. I just write it down. Coefficient is 1. Coefficient is 2. Negative 5. Positive 12. Draw my box. Remember, change this sign to negative 4. All right, I need something to multiply. Bring down the first one. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Add this. What's negative 4 plus 2? Negative 2. Negative times negative is positive. 4 times 2 is 8. Negative 5 plus 8 is just positive 3. Negative 4 times 3. Negative times positive is negative. 4 times 3 is 12. Add that up. That's 0. So again, this started out with x cubed. So now it's going to go x squared, x1, constant, remainder. What does that mean? This is 1x squared minus 2x, positive 3, remainder 0. So if it has a remainder of 0, I don't even have to write it. You got to admit now that's faster, right? That's pretty easy. Okay? Let's look at a problem where they would mess you up. How can they trick you on this? Go back to your synthetic division side. Look at number 5. Right? So look at number 5. This goes 4, 3, 2. No. That's not the one. That's not the one that'll trick you. It's this one. Yeah, look at number 4. 4 and 6 have the tricks. So I'm not going to do 6. I'll do 4. But they both have a trick that will mess you up. This one starts out with x to the 4th. Notice they are missing x to the 3rd. They have x to the 4th, x squared, x1, and then the constant, right? They're missing the x to the 3rd power term. That's the one right there that I have to put a 0 for. They're missing it. So when I write it out, it's a 1 for the x to the 4th, a 0 for the x to the 3rd, and then you just fill them in. Negative 7, positive 9, negative 10. Right? Because we got the x to the 4th, x to the 3rd, x squared, x1, and then the constant. But as long as you can identify the one term they're missing, which I promise you is going to be on the test, that's it. If you know where to put the 0, you're good. Now it's x minus 1, so I just put a positive 1 there. Right? We're changing the sign every time. Bring the 1 down. 1 times 1 is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Negative 7 plus 1 is negative 6. 1 times negative 6 is negative 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. It's negative 7. So remember, we started with x to the 4th. So now we're going to have x to the third, x squared, x, constant, remainder. Every time the last one is my remainder. So this is 1x cubed, positive 1x squared, minus 6x, plus 3, remainder negative 7. So even like that, still not a whole lot of work, right?